Hi guys, it's just a casual Thursday and we're finally opening up our Whispering Angel. Today is actually a very special day. It is my birthday, and so today also marks my 1-year milestone of vlogging and posting videos on YouTube. So I started out on this journey because I just wanted to find an outlet to sort of express myself and capture memories that would be put into a place where I can just go back and look at them, whether they're like on my laptop or obviously on my YouTube channel. I was able to relive like the most precious memories, like Christmas and going away for New Year's, Kevin's birthday, his surprise that I did for his 30th year birthday, and then us going away on our Cuba trip. Those are the type of memories that pictures just can't capture. So today, normally every single year I plan something to do for my birthday, but because I'm going away to Vegas for my bachelorette next week, I will just be celebrating my birthday and my bachelorette with all of my girlfriends, and some of Kevin's family members are also coming, so that would be really great. So that's why I didn't really plan anything this year with my friends, but Kevin was so amazing. He told me yesterday that he actually planned a whole day of surprises with me because he didn't want me to just obviously sit at home on my birthday. So this morning he was like, make sure you get up after I get home from work, we're just gonna go out. And so he didn't really give me any clues as to what we will be doing for my birthday, so I had the hardest time getting dressed. Hey guys, I just came home from an amazing morning. The last time I talked to you guys was me just waiting here to go on a surprise date with Kevin. And when he came home from work, he picked me up and we went downstairs, and guess who was in the car? It was my brother. My brother is an amazing photographer, and so Kevin's basically his first surprise for my birthday was a little video slash photo shoot. So it was amazing. We went to Edward Gardens up in Leaside, and so we had a really cute picnic there, and my brother followed us around, took some pictures, took some videos. He knows how much I love to take photos, so I guess for my birthday he knows that I wanted to take a whole bunch of pictures. So then he got a professional to do it and follow us around, so that made me really happy. We ended off at the park at this cute little pub on King West, and we had a couple of sort of pre-dinner drinks. So I'm kind of in the tipsy area. We're just at home right now. We got changed to go to dinner.
Why always crossed?